Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 77 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman from our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these with me, head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below, and you too can have one of these on your bench, folks. Right, let's have a scoot through the magazine. Penguin sets a trend there. You've got Beware of Poison Ivy. Yes, Poison Ivy, eh? Then obviously Batman from 2003, Graduation Day apparently. Teen Titans there, Superman, Batman and Wonder Woman all teaming up there. Trinity there, Superman looking rather square-jawed and rugged. Here's what we got today. We are starting the dashboard. We got the dashboard, we got the upper part and some buttons. Nice and simple, couple of press fit components there. Same there, join that two together and then we're going to have a dashboard sub-assembly like so starting. Okay, it's going to be nice and easy today. We'll put that to one side and we'll grab our components, which are just here, folks. Okay, we've got a couple of little buttons that are going in, so we'll have them on there like so. So let's just grab that and put that in situ. Try not to drop it though, because yeah, if anyone's going to drop this, it's going to be me. There you go. We got there in the end. So let's just get me little knife out and just straighten that up, because it will mess with my OCD if I don't. Twist that round. There you go. That's the first one in. And then we got to do the same with this one. I desperately try not to ping these across the room. Like that. Straight in. Okay. So that's what we want. Still a little bit crooked there, isn't it? So let's try and get that in situ. There you go. And then that is literally going to press inside there. Like that. There you go. And then just press it back. Just to line up these leading edges. Just like that. So that's what we've got there. We're then going to grab issue number 78, I think, just to give us a bit more today. Again, Penguin's Disastrous End. We've got the Shaman going on there. Batman 04, Broken City. And then we've got some car parts there. We've got the switch panel, bat beam, anti-theft, bat scope, and screen and sticker. We're going to be assembling the bat scope, screwing in some panels on the back there with CP screws. And we're going to end up with fitting the panels, and that's what we're going to have at the end, folks, okay? Let's grab them components, because I'm lucky that I received two of these today, so we can do a little bit more. Let's grab those. Put that to one side for a minute. We got our bat scope stickers there, got a pair of them, so I've got a spare. Yes, that's handy, Harry. That's peeled off protective backing from the scope sticker, and it's going on to the front of the back scope screen. Okay, so that's what's happening, so that's what we're going to do. Let's peel that off. I should be lucky and be able to get that in situ. Bingo, straight in there, Carl. Have you a bit of that? That's the bat scope done. Don't need that. And then that's going in there. Bingo, like that. And that's how that's looking. And then we're going into the bat scope support, which we've done. And then that's going to go into the dashboard, folks. So let's get a couple of CP screws out. Like that. Bink. Move that out of the way. We'll grab ourselves a bit of oil. Bink. And then that's going in the dashboard. Like so. Is how that's going. And then we're screwing that in place. Just like that. Bink. Grab our next screw. Another bit of oil going on. And then feed the screw into that side, just like so. Bingo. That's what we got there. And then it's a matter of press fitting all these panels, folks, okay? So we got a single one going there. We got a skinny one going there. Let's just make sure that that's going the right way. Are these handles handed? Doesn't look like it. Like so. That's that one done. We then got that one going in. I just want to spin that. This is a little off to one side. That's better. And then by powers of deduction, that should leave this one. Again, we'll just check it to make sure the pins line up, because they might be off centre. One's big, one's small, one big, one small, that way around. Just like that. There you go. So that is the beginnings of the Bat Dash. Yes, folks. So there you go. If you want to grab one of these and build along with me, folks, this iconic Batmobile, head over to the Fanhome website by following this link. There's a clickable link below in the description. Bink. And you too can have this on your bench. Also, to help me out, if you can just give Fester a click in the corner there and subscribe to the channel, I'll be immensely grateful. Give the bell a ring whilst you're there. You'll get notified of all future content. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. I really do appreciate it. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.